Hey Changemakers, are you ready to experiment? Well, we are. This year's Australian Change Days invite you to be bold, curious and experiment. Join us on the 23rd of August for eco-innovation, leveraging change expertise to spark climate action at your workplace. We are Eva and Sam Sayam, and we are life partners and co-founders at Approach Services. We can't wait to experiment with Dragon Dreaming with you, a WA-born change management and project management approach inspired by ancient indigenous wisdom. Most dreams get stuck because they aren't shared. We are curious about your ideas on eco-innovation and sustainability, bold enough to put together a change team for climate actions, and keen to create a shared dream and vision board that helps us turn aspirations into real eco-innovation and change. See you at ACDC 2024. Let's dream big and make it happen.